What is this AI agent that's apparently going to take our jobs? See, the traditional large language models are based on request response model. By that, it means that you ask it to do something and it comes back with a response. However, AI agents are based on objectives. So you can just give it a high-level goal of what you want to accomplish, and it automatically figures out what kind of steps it needs to take, what kind of tools and resources it needs to access to, and then autonomously completes the task for you and then comes back to you with a response. What does an autonomy even mean in practice? And how does it know how to use a computer or even do things for me? It just means that instead of you having to micromanage the prompts by saying things like write an email and then attach this PDF, you just give it a high-level goal, which is like find the Q4 report on my files and then send an email to my team by summarizing it by 3 p.m. Okay, it can literally navigate my operating system. So can I just tell it things like manage my website or figure out my schedule? Absolutely. It's about abstracting the tedious steps and telling the agent what you want, and it automatically figures out what needs to be done. It can actually orchestrate complex tasks across several applications without even needing your constant supervision. So it works in a loop. It observes the system state, plans the next step, and then uses tool to take an action. Exactly. It's called an agentic loop, which is like perception, planning, and tool use. It can do things like browsing the web, updating your CRM, or even writing to your GitHub repo. So it's no longer just predicting the tokens, but now it's managing entire workflows for your business or personal life. So now we're moving from give me this information to go do this for me. Precisely. So we're shifting from a knowledge economy to an action economy. So AI is no longer just your tutor, but it's also an autonomous operator. So is my job still safe?